first time of coming here, I'd like you to subscribe, like, and comment. Share this video with people who you think will need it. People who want to improve their design skills. All right, so let's go ahead. So this is what I want to design. This is my next page that has you see, you can see that you can see the month January, everything is correct. Now I can generate this calendarium from CorelDRAW, but I don't want to do that. I want something that's prepared for me. So since I've already done the first page, getting the second page won't be that difficult, and I want to use the same design. So first, I'm going to copy this aside, and the guidelines we use here can still work in all of the pages. So if I continue to duplicate, you will see that the guidelines are still there. All right, so now what I want to do first is to go and copy this, or just select everything and Control C and come to the next page, Control V. Now I have the base ready. I have my base design ready. You can see it's almost similar, just the picture and the calendarium that makes it different. So I'll select all of this, all you can find here. Let's ungroup this. So select all of these and I'll delete all of this. I'll delete everything here. Beautiful. I don't even want this too, so I'll delete all of this. Except there's this, I'll crank the size up a little. Just again, I'll bring that down. And see, the only thing that is different here is this calendarium. You can see here, just this, that's what makes it different. So what I'll do next is to go and download 2023 calendar. So you can just go to your CorelDRAW. You can go to Google and download 2023 calendar. And for me, I've already done that. So what I'll do next is just to go and open it. So I'll go to File and I'll go Open, and where I saved it. All right, so just go to where I save 2023 calendar. I already downloaded it. It's a PDF file, and I'll open PDF. To open in a new document, just say Open, and here we go. It's open. Give it some time and it's gonna open. It's loaded. Beautiful. So the calendar is open. There's the 2023 calendar. Everything is here. It's open. I can take this now and start making adjustment. But first, I have to be sure that this is correct. So I'll compare this with the calendar on my phone to make sure everything is perfect and correct. Now, when I'm sure everything is correct, what I need to do is to just copy this part. I'll just copy. I need January, February. I'll just copy January, February. Copy just this alone and move it aside. Right click to duplicate that, and I'm going to group it. I'll cut it from here. Control X will come where I'm designing. Control V. I'll bring that here and just increase the size. That's all I'll do. Just increase the size and move that up a little. Because it's grouped, I can hold my shift and select this and C on my keyboard to centralize that. And I'll just increase this a little more. Just increase that a little more. I want to be very big. Here we go. So I have the size I'm looking for. Now in this case, I'll reduce this some more. I think it's too big for this. Reduce a little. Just now that I'm designing for print, I want to be sure that my text cannot be smaller than 8 points. In fact, I would say because it's an A2 size, it should be smaller than 12 points. So I'm leaving all my text. The list of my text will be 12 points. See, this is 12. This is the smallest of my text. If not, all my text should be like 12, 14, because it's an A2 job, right? So now I have that. My calendar is ready. I'll just change this, just this font alone. I can change this to, I don't like the font that's there. I can use Montserrat. Move that up a little, just a little. Boom! Our design is done. You can see we're done. Design is ready. What font did I use here? Let me zoom in a little and see. Ungroup this and grab this. Okay, it's converted already. Okay, you can see Our design is ready. Now I want you to go ahead and see how you can redesign this thing and change the and change. You can use design, continue design from February. We've just done January, February, so create another page and do March, April, create another page and do May, June, July, August, September, October, till you get to December. Let's see what you can do and tag me. Let me see what you've created. Post it to Facebook, post it to Instagram and tag me. I like to see what you have created. Now, next thing I want to show is how I created this. It's quite simple how I made this and I moved the picture inside. So I'm going to remove this picture that I have here or extract. Click this and I'll go here, extract content, and I'll delete this, duplicate this, and extract content from this as well. And I'll move this, delete this away. I don't need this now. Then I can now move this picture in here. For this picture, there are two pictures here. I had this picture and this. So this was in the background. So I'll move the background in first. Then I can now move this in. What I did was to right click and drag and I bring it here and I'll leave it and I'll say power clip inside and here we go. Can hold my shift, my alt and click this and make some adjustments, or I can click this and just go to edit. I'll get inside and make adjustment. You do which one is comfortable for you. Just make some adjustments, move that upside and here we go. Next, I want to add this little blue here so I can write his name. So what I'll do is first I just go grab, I want to create a straight line, just create a straight line, hold down. I'm holding down my shift to create a straight line. I'll just bring the line a little, I think it's too big. First, I need to also increase this cycle a little more. Just come up a little, beautiful. Now I can move this line a little down and go grab the same tool that we used, the smart fill, and just fill here with the color. Now I can delete this. I don't need this no more. And I'll take out the outline in this. And with this selected, I can just grab this, select this, right click and drag, bring it here, and allow it. I will say copy fill here. And yeah, there we go. We have the fill. And I'll make a little adjustment in the fill. I think I'm fine with it like this. Maybe I can crank it up a little. Sorry. Undo. All right. So next, just go and write the person's name, and the name is there. You can grab your text tool and just start typing this name. But for me, okay, let me do this. I'll just type the name Davies Zikora. All right, I'll just type the name for this. I'll just type the name and put that here and reduce the font size to 12 and change this a little to, what font did I use? I think I use human. Nice, just use human and make that bold. And I can crank that up a little to 14. 14 and I'll put that, select that and say send C on the keyboard and centralize that. And what's the Winner Africa Mathematics Project? I just type winner, comma, Africa Mathematics Projects, right? And the same thing, bring down the font to like 12, change the font style to the same font I've been using, and move that inside. Just bring that down a little more. I start entering, I can move this down. Maybe move project down, centralize that at the center, and reduce the line spacing. Just bring it up. With that, select the both of them and use my arrow key to move them up, and design is ready. Beautiful. See how I'm able to redesign this thing so fast because I've done the first page. So the second page and the other pages are just a little adjustments of the first page. So I can go ahead and replicate this thing. I can just copy what I've done here. Just copy this and go to the next page and Ctrl V and paste, and then go here and copy this March and April and come here, paste it, and change the picture, change this name, and we're done. So I like you to See how much of this you can do. Recreate this, because if you can't do it, you don't know it. So until you can do it and design it to be as fine as this, or at least close to as fine as this, now you can say you can do it. So go ahead, do this, and tag me. I like to see what you've done. Tag me. Let me see what you did. If you have a question, please use the comment section. I'd like to answer your questions, and share, comment, like, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.